Hello folks and welcome to another Parkside unboxing video. Today I have this mini toolkit. Let's see the description and what we have inside. We have 30 magnetic precision bits, one magnetic bit holder, one flexible extension, one magnifying glass, one pair of mini cutting pliers, and one stainless steel tweezers. As you can see, the box again is pretty solid. It has this plastic lock, open, closed. Let's open and examine the tools. We have this plastic cover. Okay, let's start with the pliers. As you can see, they have spring, nice rubberized handles. They seem pretty sharp. I will test them later. Sorry. Those can come handy for cutting small items like wires in difficult to reach places. Next we have this magnifying glass. Yep. Again, pretty handy. We have this flexible extension. Quite stiff. With two plastic rotating sleeves. And of course we have the magnetic bit holder. Let's take a look at the tweezers. Yep, they seem pretty nice too. Most of the little tools, I mean Parkside tools, are manufactured by this company OWIM. And finally, let's take a look at the bits. As you can see, we have one that is super small, 0.7. I'm not sure if you're able to see it on the camera. 0.7, 0.9. Amazingly small. We have some torques. Some other torques, and again one pretty small. Those bits are all magnetic, so you won't lose any type of screw. sorry. Yes, they are magnetic. Again, I'm very happy of this Parkside product. I really love the brand. Quite cheap and with amazing quality. Basically, you won't make a mistake if you buy such two set, costing only €6. Thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys.